You know what's funny? You don't really struggle with English. You struggle with English when someone is standing there and waiting for us to speak. Yes. If I speak to myself in bathroom, okay, I feel like an international speaker, okay? And if I type a message in WhatsApp or these messaging platforms, I feel like a poet and genius. But again, in the reality, okay, when I wanted to talk to humans, it's super hard, and I get nervous, and I get sweat, and it's super hard. Okay, I think you guys can relate with me. So this video we're gonna talk the real triggers behind this, and how is it for me, and how I'm fixing it, and some key takeaways from this video. That's it. Very simple, easy, free video. So do not keep your mind very strict and very rough for this video. Let's do a very free, quick, easy video. Okay, before we get in this video, I just want to ask you all to do a favor for me. First of all, thank you so much for all the support and love you guys giving me. So I'm so grateful. Every time, every day, it's a day to be thankful and grateful for every one of you. But what I want is actually go to the comment box and put all your problems and questions in the comment box. I want you guys to fill the comment box with the problems you guys have. Yes. The reason is because so far I'm making videos on the topics which I faced, okay, whatever the problems I faced. But now this is the time to analyze your problems and make even more better videos. So, okay, how I'm gonna analyze? Definitely, I'm not an English expert, or I'm not expert in anything. That's how I define myself. Okay, so what I can do is I can go to experts and share your problems and get the solutions and come back to you and share it. So this is what I wanted to do. So help me to do it, and I'm gonna be the connector, and I'm gonna just do it as a service to you all. So go to the comment box. Do not forget to put your comments. Even if you don't subscribe this channel, it's okay. Just put the comments in the comment box. Okay, let's get back to this video. So as I told before, this video is going to be very easy, simple, 3 steps. Okay, 3 parts. First, we are going to discuss the triggers behind this problem, the freezing issue, and then we are going to discuss the the personal experience of myself, and then we are going to discuss the solutions and tips. Okay, however, you can take it as an advice or solution or tips or whatever. You can take it in any format. I'm fine with it. Okay, let's start. First, let's start with the triggers. Firstly, trigger number 1. What is a trigger? Okay, I think the first trigger most of us we have in our mind is, pressure to impress someone. Pressure to impress the interviewer. Pressure to impress the opposite person, friend, businessman or whoever, the client or whoever. We have this big pressure when it comes to impressing people. I think we don't really have to do it, okay? We can be free in terms of, you should be free to speak, then only you can bring up all the confidence to the, table. See, in this video, this is room just me, so I'm so confident. But just imagine like 10 people inside this room and we were talking, then I think that's where you can see the real confidence, because here I'm just talking to the phone. The phone is going to not judge me, so I'm so free to talk. But again, in a room of people are going to judge, people are going to look at you, people are going to stare at you, so you should be confident. So the main issue is fear of, this pressure. Of course, the pressure of being perfect, pressure of impressing people. I think you don't really have to do it. You just focus on yourself. And number 2 is, I think, fear of getting judged. Okay, I have this problem all the time. Okay, because wherever I go to these networking events or business gatherings or everywhere, when I see successful people, I have this problem. What if I speak something wrong? What if I speak something bad? But if they think I'm looking bad? But if, okay, there are so many stuff we can't share in the videos. So I had this issue. I'm still working on it. That's how I want to define this thing, because I'm still working on it to get better every time, because it's every time it's a fresh situation and fresh different problems I'm facing, so I still need to learn and fix it. Okay, so number three, what is the reason number three, the trigger number three? This is one of the another main reason, translating in my mind, because I'm a Tamil person. My mother tongue is Tamil, so still I can't think think how I'm thinking in Tamil. Still I translate in some points, because translating inside the mind. Okay, so because that's how I grown up. For almost 16 years, I never ever speak English with a colleague or someone, because I'm grown up with Tamil speaking community, my mother tongue community, and I've never been into English courses or English classes, or I never been into especially this English medium. Okay, I never had English friends. Okay, but when it comes to this professional career, I started to speak with different community people, and also my life started with USA people. So then, yeah, so that's how I started to get into this thing. But I still having I'm still having this issue, but I'm working on it. That's all I can say. Okay, now I think I've shared these main reasons and also what's my personal experiences. Okay, so also I want to share a simple personal story with you all, which happened 3 to 4 years back. Okay, so when I was very new to this industry, I really wanted to do this networking. Okay, I just want to go to networking events and network with people. I want to talk to people. So I got this idea, and then I went to networking events. So there, what I was actually doing is I go to events and I go to a corner and sit and watch the talk and come back home. This was I doing for almost like 2 years. Okay, 2 years. I don't speak with many, and it's so rare. Even if someone comes to speak me, I just try to finish it quickly and go somewhere else. So, but again, it's an experience, and it's always an experience, and it's a process of learning and failing, learning, failing, learning. So I'm still doing it. I'm still getting myself better. So this is one of incident I wanted to share with you all. Okay, so now let's see how you can fix it. Okay, so start the sentences even if you aren't ready. What is it about? Okay, so let's say you have something in your mind you want to convey, but you just forget the word or sentence or anything. You can use these connectors like so, all right, then, stuff like this to keep your mind alive and keep yourself alive in the conversation. So this I do all the time, and I get criticized for this as well, because I use this so, all right, and stuff for some unnecessary places. Even I think I might have used it, but again in this video, but again I'm still working on it and fixing it. It's not something we can fix it quickly, because I was doing this from like 4 years. From 4 years I'm doing this, so I can't fix it quickly, so I need some time. But again, this will help you to keep your mind very active into the conversation, and you don't get freezed. You still your mind thinks, okay, still this person is speaking, so we can still speak. Okay, we can share it. So inside your mind, you will have this kind of active feeling. Otherwise, if you just stop it when you don't know, you will just get freezed. Okay, so don't do it. Just go ahead with some connectors like this, and keep the conversation going on. And tip number 2 is focus on the idea, not in the vocabulary. Always focus on the idea. Okay, what you're going to communicate, what is the messages. So if you don't know the words, don't even mind manage, because I seriously don't know a lot of words, but still I'm speaking to people. So speaking is totally different, and speaking, I mean, you can always learn new words, but don't stop speaking. Keep speaking. That's all I wanted to say. That's tip number 2. Tip number 3 is very important. Build comfort in tiny little situations. Okay, what is it? So you should know how to build a comfort zone for yourself. For example, let's say, in this world, every human is brushing, sleeping, and eating every single day, okay? But when you talk to a human, you have this feeling like, okay, what I'm going to talk to him? What are you going to do? I don't have anything to talk. I have heard people saying this to me, but you can talk to any human if you know this. What is it? Simply, if you know how to talk about general things. Okay, for example, yesterday was a good day, today was a good day, today is very bad, and today in the morning I had a coffee. Stuff like this. Just try to use these general, try to learn these general stuffs. So what you can do is, when you don't know something, you can just put this into the middle of the conversation and keep speaking. Okay, so that's what we do in the mother tongue also. That's what I feel. So just think about it, and if it worked for you, great. It's working for me. That's why I'm sharing this in this video. Okay. So I think I've shared the most major points which I need to cover in this video, and I made it very quick one, I guess. I didn't drag and fluff too much. Okay, so what is the key takeaway from this video? Basically, you don't need perfect English to speak confidently. You just need to speak English to get confident. That's it. So keep speaking, always just keep speaking. You don't need to mind about this, any of the stuffs which is bothering you. It can be, vocabulary, grammars and stuff like this. Just forget about it. Speak. Speak. By speaking only, you can improve every time, every single day. Okay, that's what working for me. And also, if you have any questions, don't even hesitate. Just come to my social medias, Instagram or whatever the social media you feel comfortable. Just come there, ask the question. I'm there to help you, and my people are there to help you. So let's grow as a family. And thank you so much, everyone. And I'm gonna see you on next week with some more detailed and some exciting topics which you're going to comment in this video comment box. So I'm waiting for all your comments, and thank you so much. See you on next Monday. Yours, Tashantar. Goodbye.